Good morning. My name is Mark Anthony S. Abadesio. For today's video, the activity is document formatting challenge, mastering Microsoft Word personal profile formatting challenge. First, copy natin to sila. Yan. Then, Control V. Yan, para kumapal po siya. Then, ito po yung pinaka-format niya. Yan. So, dito po sa una, ah, may tatlong class siyang pan. So, para ma-practice po natin. Then, skills and hobbies. Then, mag-insert po tayo ng picture and lagyan po natin ng name doon sa text box siya mahanap. So, first, underline din natin yung name para control U. Then, for para maging center, control E. Yan. Tapos, justify, control J. Then, so, yun, ganun lang po yung basic document formatting challenge. So, yan, ganyan po. And yung mga spacing niya po, yan. Yan. Production. Then, tapos, wait lang. Okay. So, justify. Then, yan. So, my name is Mark Anthony Abadesio. To demonstrate, now I will save my file. Control S. Yan. Control S natin. Then, pag i-print pa naman natin is Control P. Yan. Tapos, ganun lang po kadali. So, thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Have a great day.